everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anastasia, and today's tutorials I'm going to be teaching you all how to make this beautiful ponytail and putting on. Very easy, very simple. You can use any material in your house to do this beautiful, simple ponytail. So for this tutorial, we're going to be using color 35 attachment and color 1. You can either use superstar or you can use expression. So for this tutorial, we're going to be using this net. I made it myself, very simple and easy. We're using our crochet pin, our clip comb to hold on to your hair and the wig. We'll also be using needle and thread to sew them on both sides. I'm going to sew my clip comb at the edges of the handmade net I made. Right now, I'm just crocheting the hair of my neck. Very simple, very easy. Make sure you take small amounts, don't take too much so that it doesn't tear your neck and the coil doesn't come out too big. After crocheting your hair, just brush it, then take them in small quantity and twist them. Don't forget, small quantity, not large quantity, and you see how beautiful your hair comes out when you are done. When you are done twisting, you just have to put them in hot water. Make sure the hot water is well boiled and pour from up downwards so that it touches all the hair in the wig cap. Make sure you dry the hair after putting it in your hot water. Leave it for like 2 to 3 hours. When it's dried, you can now start making an attempt on losing it, bringing out our beautiful ponytail coiling wig. After drying it, you just have to lose the hair one after the other, and make sure you are very careful so that you don't tangle the hair. Take your time and you see how beautiful it comes out when you are done. I know most of you are already asking why I use the white net instead of a black ponytail cap. The purpose of this video is for you to know that you can use anything at all in the house to make your own ponytail wig. Anything. You can use pink cap, you can use yellow cap, you can use white cap. It's your hair and it's your own. Anything you want. But for commercial purpose, I advise you use a black net so that it doesn't show and come out well. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe, and if you have any question, please drop them at the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.